Alright, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today we're going to look at how you can get a custom skin uploaded or downloaded to your Minecraft Bedrock Edition. Because for whatever reason, when I logged in the last couple of weeks, my skin that I had uploaded to my account disappeared, and I'm stuck with the default Steve skin. And I have a couple options. I can either go to the dressing room, and I can click on this button here to upload my very own custom skin or create a character using different components. Or I can go to the marketplace and we can search for a free skin that looks kind of cool so I don't have to, do as much work with that. So let's look up skins, and there's usually a bunch of different skin packs on the Minecraft market. Everything from paid options that you can see here, and all the way down to like things that are free. But you don't see any free skins because we need to go over here to this little arrow icon on the right hand side, and we need to sort for prices low to high. So it looks like I actually have a summer beach party skin pack from like a million different years ago, but I'm not really as into that. So what else looks kind of interesting that is also free? These like weird beep borp robot skins look kind of cool. Let's grab these. So when you click on this, it tells you information about it. This is 12 free skins made by Anija. And I can favorite this. I can share this by clicking this button, or I can click on the free buy button. And now it will add it to my account for free, and then I can equip the button and see which one is equipped. So it equipped the alpha skin from that. Let me see inside my marketplace purchases. One of these is my stuff, my content right here at the top. So I've got a bunch of different skin packs that I can pick from. And I can, here we go. I can scroll down and I can pick one of these 3 skins. And they all, one of these 12 skins, sorry. And I can pick which one I think looks the fanciest. I kind of dig this green one, so I'm going to equip that. And now when I go around and wander around inside of Minecraft, I will look like this green robot over here in the sidebar. So that's how you kind of go into the marketplace, search for free skins. You can also find like free packs. Otherwise, like they got a lot of different free map packs as well, if we just search for them. So check it out for yourselves. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.